Hello guys, welcome to my official YouTube page, and today class will be all about how to increase the font size on your Pydroid 3 both on the main window and on the terminal window. Okay, so before we start, you have to first of all open your Pydroid app like I have done here. Okay, so when you have done that, you go to this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Okay, you click on that, but before we do that, let's first of all write some few lines of code to really know how increase the font size originally. Okay, so you make a variable. It could mean anything, but I want to use my name. All right, so this is the original font size. Okay, so let's run this code now and see what happens. Okay, so our code is successfully executed, but you can see here that the font size is just too small. All right, so how do we increase this font size both on this terminal menu or window and on this main window also? So first of all, go to this three horizontal line to your left top corner, click on that, go down to settings, click on settings, go to appearance, click on appearance, then click on font size. All right, so we're going to select, by default it is set at 16, so we're going to go to 22. Okay, so you go back. Okay, so you can see here that our font size is increased. So we're going to run this code again to see if the terminal size is also affected by the increase. All right, you click on the yellow icon down below to your left, to your right, and run the program. Okay, the code is correct and the terminal output is not affected. So we're going to go to the three horizontal icon to your left, and just below the settings there is another setting called the terminal settings. So you click on that, then under the text there is font size, you select font size. Okay, so by default it is set at 10 points, so we're going to increase it to 24. Okay, so after doing that, you go back again. Now we're going to run our code to see if both windows have been increased. You click on run. Wow, you can see here that Samuel is increased. Anybody can see it. It is legible enough, it is visible enough for anyone else to see. Okay, so you can still go ahead to increase it to any number you want. All right, so that is how you go about increasing the font size on both your main window and on your terminal window for Pydroid 3 application. All right, see you in our next class. Take care.